Make flat work less work with Tomahawk's Portable Trowels, powered by Honda. Designed with a bull float style handle and lightweight frame, this trowel gives you extended reach to finish concrete up to 45 minutes earlier, all from outside the formwork. In this video, we'll walk you through unboxing, assembly, and startup so you can get to work with confidence. Carefully remove all parts from the box and locate the main handle pole with 2 holes for the throttle mount. Insert the silver end of the pole with the push-button locking pin into the base of the trowel and ensure it locks securely into position. Attach the throttle by placing 2 rubber washers over the screws and inserting them through the throttle bracket on the right side of the handle pole. Secure with the remaining washers and nuts, tightening them with a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm wrench. Before starting the engine, fill the crankcase with exactly 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces of SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Do not overfill, as this can flood the engine. Then, fill the fuel tank with unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Press the fuel injection bulb 3 to 5 times until you see fuel moving through the lines. Place the throttle lever in the idle position. If the engine's cold, close the choke. If the engine's warm, leave the choke open. Pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. Once the engine starts, gradually open the choke as the engine warms up. When adding poles, lower the pole's height at the pitch yoke found at the base of the trowel. When using fewer poles, raise the pole's height. The trowel's handles add extra operator stability and comfort during operation. However, they're not necessary to operate the machine. To pitch the blades upward, turn the blade control handle clockwise. To lay the blades flat, turn it counterclockwise. To begin troweling, place the machine on the slab. Set the blade pitch and move the throttle to the run position. Push the handle forward and pull it back to move the trowel. Just like a bull float, keep the blades flat and run the machine at half to 3/4 speed during the first pass, overlapping each pass by half the width of the trowel. For a second pass, increase the blade pitch slightly and maintain 3/4 speed. As the concrete hardens, increase the blade pitch as needed to fill in low spots and smooth out imperfections. For the best results, always wear proper safety gear, operate at consistent speeds, and clean the machine after each use. To get more tips and support for your Tomahawk equipment, click subscribe today.